Be ready. Start. These appeals have been filed against the common judgment of the Rajasthan High Court dated 1 February 2009, by which separate writ petitions filed by the appellant have been dismissed. Stop. The question of the law and order has raised all these appeals being common. All the appeals have been heard together and are being decided by this common judgment. Stop. For deciding these appeals, it shall be sufficient to the refer that the facts and the pleadings in civil appeal number 58/2019, Mr. Nitin Kumar, District Judge. Stop. The State Election Commission of India and another that the government order stanza. Election that Bombay Municipal Corporation were held in February 2007. Stop. The writ petition number 82/2008 have been dismissed on 1 December 2008, which the special leave petition number 46/2009. Stop. By an interim order passed on 6 December 2009, the High Court has permitted that the State Election Commission Rajasthan to proceed with the preparation of the voter. Stop. However, notification declaring to the election of the published till 1 February 2009, it is also relevant to the notice by the requesting of the learned single judge by the Small Cause Court, Jaipur, to decide the election petition in the expeditiously as far as possible in any event by order dated 1 August 2009, stanza. The State Election Commission versus Geeta Kiran, that the writ petition number 62/2008. Stop. The State Election Commission Rajasthan, by which State Election Commission Rajasthan Jaipur has issued a notification to the preparation. Stop. The learned counsel for the respondent has refuted that the submission of the learned counsel for the appellant has contended that the filing of the election petition by appellant does not have an effect of the postpone to the casual vacancy of the State Election Commission, Jaipur. Stop. It is submitted that the terms of the 5 years and admitted to the candidate have been declared to the unrepresented. Stop. The election petition filed by the appellant may not be decided during the tenure of the Municipal Corporation of Jaipur, Rajasthan, stanza. Statute intended that the till of the Election Commission of India in the elected candidates. Stop. We have heard the learned counsel for the parties and have perused on the record. Stop. Representation of the People Act 1951 is entirely different from time to time that 1988 Act. Stop. Hence, the judgment has relied by the concerned of the finality in the judgment. Stop. Municipal Corporation of Jaipur, that the initial stage has elected from time to time to the concern. Stop. Section 33 of the Act deals with the election petition to be heard and disposed by the Chief Judge of the Small Causes Court, Jaipur, which is as follows. Stop. Election petition to be heard by the disposed. Full stop. Over.